Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I'm going to call this 4.4. I originally started doing a triangle, and somebody asked me how you could do this more easily, and they're using another process that I showed a couple of days ago of power clipping this item into that item and kind of making it look rounded. So if you didn't watch the other parts, how we got to here, I'm going to take a Smart Fill tool and move that over. Now I'm going to left click and right click. And it is, well, let's do this before we do that. Let's measure. I already know it's 2 inches, but I'm going to get my parallel dimension tool. And you should know it's 2 inches because if you made it like I did the other one, it's 2 inches. So we can nudge 2 inches. And that's one of the reasons I decided to make the video, to make this a little more easily to do things. So I'm just going to do like 5 of them. Now, it'd be pretty hard. It's not hard to have it snap to this, but if I Control G and rotate this 30 degrees, now I have 2 inches this way. I'm going to move this out of the way. So now Control D and make a duplicate, and see what you're doing. You're making it like that. Now I can turn it that color now, and I can actually take away the outline. Well, no, I don't want to do that yet. I want to, let me just delete that. I'm going to make a duplicate of this. Let's see, this is almost 19 inches big, so I'm going to make my nudge factor 20. I'm going to Control D or hit the plus key. And then on this one, I'm going to take away the color. On this one, I'm going to take away the outline by right-clicking no outline. Whoop. Oh. Well, it's because I've got them grouped together. Go up to Object, Group, and Ungroup, and then right-click no outline. Now, I do want to group these back, Control G. But what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to ungroup it. And then I'm going to group it because they were like 3 different groups. But before I do that, I'm going to change the pin thickness to like that, to 10 points. Now I'm going to go to Object and Group and Group. And then I'm going to go up to Effects, and this is what I showed in another video. Go to Blur, Gaussian Blur, and we're going to blur that, maybe even a little bit more than that. Now say OK, and what we're going to do now, we're going to go to Object, Power Clip, Place Inside Frame, and like that is done. If you had to do those individually, it would take you forever. That's a pretty cool pattern. Anyway, I hope it helped him a little bit. And then you could always, rotate it back a -30 to get them standing upright like this one. And then you could do a lot with that after that. Anyway, I hope that helped. And I'll put a link to the part 3 where I showed how to make that. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.